What's up, cool kids? Welcome back to another video. And today, I am literally outside because I just saw these two stray dogs. And last time I was at my school, like at school, there was these. Oh shoot! That's a really loud car. There's these two like dogs that came, and we were out for recess, and they just came in. They were like strays, and I saw the same ones. They went over there, and I just want to pause it, and they're literally so nice. They just went in there, so I'm just waiting for them to come back. This is like, man, I hate those stupid people that literally just leave their dogs, bro. Like, God, there's so much people that do that. And like, they just follow each other. There's two of them, and they just follow, like, oh shoot, guys, they're right there, yo, hey, come here, hey, puppy, come here. Oh my God, no, they just went over there. Oh my God, guys. See, like, they just follow.
Did they leave?
Oh. Okay, guys, so I just went up the hill to see if there were any dogs, but no. Because remember, I saw them, like, cross over. But, apparently no dogs there, but, they might come back. I'm just gonna leave this pause until I find them again, which, it's so crazy that I found that, though. Like, and my mom was gonna give them, like, food and water, so, which is kind of which is nice. Just gonna pause it until I see them again. So, yeah, I'm just gonna pause it until I see them. Okay, guys, so I'm just sitting here waiting for them to come, so I might be sitting here for a while. And hopefully I don't get more mosquito bites, because, oof. Oh shoot, there's a wasp, bro. Oh my God. Oh, the door's locked. I just need to stand still. Oh my God. Okay, now I'm gonna pause it again. I literally want them to come back. I need to feed them and give them water. Bro, literally. Woo-hoo. Ooh. Which might take forever. I might need to, like, I don't know. I know they'll come back. I know it. I'm just gonna pause it until Honey's sniffing the dogs.
Feel that?
She's sniffing the dogs. Literally just sniffing them. She smells the dogs, the two dogs. Now she's smelling my hand. I'm just gonna end the video here. Bye.